see this glow. What the hell? Good morning and welcome to another vlog. Today is on Thursday and I'm on my way to the gym. The goal was to make it to the gym at 10 o'clock. Guys, I'm already, as you can see, I'm already late. So let's go. Let me show you guys what I'm wearing. Nothing too much. So this is what I'm wearing. I need cute gym wears, I swear. I've had this one for like edges and this is just the top that I threw on. So let's go. Guys, I made it to the gym. That's the gym, guys. Can you see it? Made it. Okay, so I just put on my shoes. Now let's head inside the gym. There's this thing very efficient that my gym did that I find very good. Honestly, like for gym newbies like me, in case you do not know where to start from or even what to use, they have like this section, like literally this section I'm at right now. They labeled it on the floor. See, they labeled the floor, so you have to, so you start from 1 2 3 4 5 6. And once you're done with that, you must have completed a full body workout. This is so good for someone like me who comes to the gym and don't even know where to start from. So kudos to them. See this glow. What the hell? I'm vlogging with my front camera, my phone. I don't know what's wrong with my camera, like the setting is just off and I don't know
The quality of this vlog is gonna be shitty. I'm so sorry. So I called my lash technician and I asked for an appointment, and they said I have to come 3 o'clock, because if I don't make it 3 o'clock, then sorry is my name. So I'm ready now to head out. I'm getting ready. I'm still getting ready. Let me quickly show you guys what I'm wearing. Okay, I've switched to my back camera right now and I can't see myself. So yeah, this is what I'm wearing. This does not match to this in any way, but yeah, that's by the way. H&M, Primark, yeah, I'm just gonna wear my boots outside. I'm gonna put on this necklace. This necklace is from, I don't know where this necklace is from, but I wear only steel, like stainless steel. Anything other than that, my skin is gonna react. So yeah, this is me. Okay. Myself and my house, we are a mess. Okay, I have my bag. I'm just gonna put my wallet, some cash, my hand cream. I think I need to get a new one. Then apply lip gloss. And yeah, let's go. So this is it. So this is it. I look like someone's mom or someone's aunt. I'm actually someone's aunt. So yeah, I do not have the time to iron my shirt. So we're just gonna leave it like that, okay? Let's go. Guys, I just finished with my lash appointment. I am rushing home because I still need to like pack a few things. I told you guys I'm traveling tomorrow. But yeah, my lashes, like, what do you guys think? This place I get my lashes done, like, honestly, they are the best. And of all the times I've been doing my lashes, they're actually the only people who have gotten it right. I'm so happy. Like, yeah, I always get the mega volume in length, I think 9 to 16. What I have right now is 9 to 16. So yeah, cat eyes, okay? Hi guys, good morning. So today is the next day, and I told you guys yesterday that I will be traveling today. So my train leaves in about 30 minutes to Brussels, and yeah, it's just a day's trip. I live in the center of Europe, so it doesn't make sense that I'm just sitting at home every weekend. I traveled to Amsterdam last month, and today I'm going to Belgium. And sorry, I have something in my eyes. It's literally just a few hours and I'll be back in the evening. So this is what I am wearing. This is H&M. This is H&M. This is C&A, I think. This is Bershka. Then I have my, what do you call this? So I'm wearing the New Balance in 510, I think. I cannot wait to eat Belgium waffles. I've seen a lot of TikTok videos saying that it's literally the best in the whole world. So yeah, let's go eat some waffles. See you guys in Brussels. Just arrived Brussels right now, and yeah, I don't know, it's not been much to do or see. First, we have to go get food because we're starving. Then after that, we'll probably go see something else. I don't know. I'm vlogging with my phone, so please bear with me if the quality is like shitty and all that.
finally here. Like, this is the very popular square in Brussels. Like this white and gold building. There's a lot of people here. A lot of people here, as you can see. So yeah, I don't know what else to do. I feel like this is just the only place people come to, and that's it. But it looks beautiful though. In my opinion, no, like everywhere in Europe, they look the same. But let me give you guys a 360 of the place then. Yeah, the waffles, let me rate it. Taste wise, I'm going to give it an let's say 9 out of 10. But is it worth the price? I don't know, because we paid I think 80 euros per waffle, like literally one waffle. It was really good and nice. This is good, but I don't know if it's worth 80 euros. Do you get it? So yeah, 360 comment. Guys, there's a concert here today, but unfortunately. Treat me like a stranger and I feel so wrong. And only to my head. Give it up to Can we please get tickets?
Yes. Let's see. You all pay together or separate? Are you students? 23 euros 50. Are you from England?
From Germany.
Ah, Germany.
Yeah, but we come from Nigeria.
Ah, Nigeria.
Yeah.
Morocco.
Oh, Africa.
Yeah. Let's see.
Nice. Moroccan women are very pretty. Everyone that I know from Morocco is so pretty. Thank you.
There you go. So we have lockers if you want to store jackets or bags.
Yeah, that would be nice.
Yes, I'll give you 2. If you need a third one, just come get another one. It's okay. Lockers are behind you on the right, and so the museum is 1 floor. You enter from this side, you do the whole turn, you exit back from there. Is any of you epileptic or balance problems? No. Okay, perfect. The rest pictures are okay. If you'd like a picture, a group picture, you can always ask someone with a badge. Okay.
Okay.
Enjoy.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Oh my god, guys, so this is like a gravity room, and